Hi, my name is Jeff and welcome back to yet another video, and today I'll be showing you guys, the people on the interwebs, how to make money on your phone. This series is called Payday Friday. I've been doing it, well, this is my second video. And sorry this is going to be a day late, my recorder on my phone wasn't working. So, let's get into the video. The app is actually called Make Money, so, that's pretty ironic. It says playing pays, download games to make money. And basically, you just download these games, and then you play them, and you make money from it. There are a lot of different games, and in my opinion, they're pretty fun. Like, you won't get bored playing these. Some of these are different money-making games. I'll review some of those in a different video, probably next Friday. The cash out process.
Say hello to Gift Loot, the
Oh lordy.
way to earn rewards. Here's how it works.
It does
Collect
have
coins
ads.
by playing games,
So
watching videos, taking surveys, and trying new apps. You can even earn coins while charging your phone. Spend your coins on gifts from top brands. You can choose free gift cards from Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, and many others. Get Gift Loot on Google Play today.
oh geez, I do not like ads. But as you can see, it says congratulations, your balance has been updated. You make money from watching those ads actually in the app, so that feature's decent. I mean, I would go without ads personally, but you know, whatever they want to do. But like I said, the cash out process is a very easy. All you have to do is have a certain amount of coins. They have PayPal, Amazon vouchers, Google Play vouchers, and actually they have bank transfers. So if you have a bank account, you can go all the way up to $200 USD or down to $50 USD through a bank transfer. And that's pretty much the same with all the other vouchers and such. Personally, I would go with either the bank transfer or the PayPal cash if you have a bank account. But if you don't, I would recommend either the Amazon or the Google Play. So, hopefully you guys liked the video. I'll see you in the next one.